Here is how you can download Fortnite on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can download Fortnite on PC. So let's start. First of all, go to any browser. Then after, search for Fortnite on the search bar. Now among the search results, you will find this Epic Games website. Click on it. As you open the Epic Games Store, make sure Fortnite is loaded. Then click on download. After that, the launcher will start downloading. Wait for the download to complete. After the launcher is downloaded, click on it and install the launcher. As you can see, the installation has started. Simply click on install and finish the process. Then after, you will have to allow the user control. After the installation is complete, open Epic Games launcher. Then it will take you to a screen like this. If you already have an Epic Games account, you can simply log in using that account. Or if you don't have one, you can create a new account using various options. After you have entered your login details, it will take you to a screen like this. Then after, go to the search bar and type Fortnite. Now from the results, select Fortnite. As you search for Fortnite, there will be a get option in here. Simply tap on get and then it will be moved to your library. From the library, you can install Fortnite and start playing. So in this way, you can easily download Fortnite on your PC or laptop device. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.